X-ray Intelligent Detection Equipment HT100, suitable for PCB board, SMT assembly, IC packaging, BGA, CSP, semiconductor, etc., welding defect detection of electronic components. Platform plus or minus 6-0 tilt, CNC programming automatic positioning, high-definition imaging is possible. One-click navigation positioning operations. Fast tracking and location of detection points. Powerful software with HTP image enhancement function. BGA void ratio. Size, area, angle, curvature, and other measurement tools. The X-ray source has automatic protection function. The 6 faces of the equipment are designed with steel plus lead plus steel structure. Isolation radiation. When you choose L group, you choose peace of mind.